It's so dark in here. I don't like this. I can't fix the lighting.
Yeah, you can't fix the lighting in a parking garage.
Charity, I can't even see you right now because it's literally black.
Cool. Can you open your door and see if there's enough parking for another car on the other side?
There's plenty of space. It looks like she's going backpacking. She literally looks like she's about to go backpacking. No, we're stuck in the elevator. It's tiny.
Oh my gosh.
I feel like we're in a box.
Sounds like a train opening up.
A tiny box.
Actually sounds like a train.
That dumpster is a beautiful background for you.
Right, thanks. Like me.
10 feet down.
Film me.
Charity, are you really that cold?
Yes.
This is the bathroom. Oh, actually, maybe I don't want to show you the bathroom. I'm gonna set my camera up in front of the one little tiny window that we have, and I'm gonna do a little time lapse of my makeup.
I can't see already.
Guys, I don't feel like doing my makeup right now, to be honest.
I actually kind of do.
Because you haven't in like 7 years.
I haven't in like 7 years. I'm scared. Like a lot.
Charity, what do you mean?
Tell me
You're
what-
great at doing makeup.
I can make
Perfectly
it look
acceptable.
like I am.
Well, that means you are.
Acceptable. Perfectly acceptable.
I'm saying. It's not
I
what
might
I
want
mean.
to do that look that I...
This is my hair. It's a little frizzy, but you can't really see it because this lighting is crap.
Oh my goodness. One
My makeup
strand
is
of
done.
hair that's like sticking straight out the side.
I'm gonna put my outfit on, and I'll show it to you guys. This is the dress and the shoes. These are actually pretty comfy. They're from I can't speak. They're from Target, but I don't know if I can find them anymore. If I can, I'll link them down below. Can you guys tell that I'm wearing the ColourPop Soul Body Shimmer Glitter?
Yes.
Oh,
Actually
of
packs
course.
on.
Look at this beautiful mermaid hair. What did you say?
5 layers of lotion on my leg, and my left leg is all dry.
That the bitterness about church coffee bugs me. It's about the like mild coffee flavor. Like it doesn't taste like coffee. Good morning, guys. I look like an egg, so I apologize for that. But
An egg.
yes, especially my hair is like pulled straight back, and I definitely look like an egg. Stay hydrated,
I don't feel
folks.
like crap except for me. I feel great, of course. I'm always the healthy one.
You just had better luck.
Healthy as in like I don't have my period. I don't have stomach issues.
Good to know.
Oh, Saturday sun, met someone.
Okay, I need some pictures in here.
How are your like whole food things?
Coming to one nice, like, right place for the vlog.
I've never been anywhere so aesthetically pleasing.
I just need xoxo today, so I would.
Oh, that's such a cute little shot of your face. You have the prettiest eyes. Maria's highlight is popping in that shot. In that shot it was. Oh my gosh, I need a picture right there. Charity may possibly be getting her ears pierced today. Are you excited?
Excited.
You look cute. Don't be insecure.
Just
Charity, are you getting your ears pierced for your 16th birthday?
Tabitha, are you gonna lock your car?
Guys.
Yeah.
Make sure I have them in stock.
Okay.
I do have a lot of birthstones left.
Gemini. She's a Gemini.
Yeah, what did you mean by that? Like, that makes so much.
Yeah, and I have it on both ears, but it's more on this
Here,
one.
Charity, do you have a high pain tolerance? It's not painful at all, but I'm just asking you if you have a high pain tolerance. Just because I'm curious. You do?
I have a pretty high pain tolerance. I mean, I'm
Oh, that's true.
Really on point. There it is. You didn't even blink.
Cute. I'm glad you got the pearls.
Yeah, the pearls look really good.
It's on my Instagram story. Joe said he's not going to talk while I'm filming. Hi. On my way to my sister's right now to make my husband's birthday cake because it's a surprise. We're doing a little surprise thing for him. We're gonna play baseball at a park this afternoon, which we don't get to do a lot, and he loves baseball. So I got him a birthday present, and I'm gonna give it to him, and then I'm gonna tell him about it. But I can't be at home when I'm making this cake because he might get home in the middle of it, and that wouldn't be good. I'll show you guys the cake I'm gonna make. We've got a regular old French vanilla box cake mix. We're gonna bake it. We're gonna put in some cream of coconut and some sweetened condensed milk. Then we're gonna put it in the fridge and cool it, and put heavy whipping cream on the top. We're gonna whip up some whipping cream and put it on the top, and it's really sweet, but it's very popular. I'm gonna go home and give Joas his birthday present, and then we're gonna go play baseball at the park. This camera's really wobbly. Sorry, guys. Hey guys, so I was gonna film last night at the party, and then I just got so distracted and was so busy I didn't film us playing softball or anything at the party last night. So I just thought I would pop up on here and maybe bring you guys along with me to clean a little bit because I have a lot to do. It is definitely a mess after last night, and I need to clean the house. So I thought I would show you guys little snippets of that here and there, and then I'll probably end the vlog. I just don't know if I have enough footage over the weekend. Hopefully it motivates you guys to clean. But first I need to grab my coffee because I can't clean without my coffee. Guys, this stuff smells so good. This is the Home and Planet multi-purpose cleaning spray in citrus, yuzu, and vanilla. Ugh, it smells so good and I love using this for my countertops. So much laundry to fold. So much laundry. Okay guys, I'm going to finish this laundry, but my memory card is almost full, so I don't have space to time lapse all of this. Just got out of the shower and about to eat a snack, and then I'm gonna make dinner. It's left overnight, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs from me. I really enjoy doing vlogs, but I know they're not for everyone, so just let me know if you're enjoying these. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you want to see more, let me know in a comment. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to do so, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.